Okay guys, I'm going to do this kind of dish. This is the corn with pine nuts. The blending pine nuts and corn with green onion. Just very easy and simple to do this. So guys, I'll show you how to do this. Let's do the intro first. Okay, first I'm going to prepare my green onion. And now here is my corn. We start to take it out the meat only. We use only the meat. So slowly, because some corn is splashing everywhere. So be careful guys. Okay guys, this is my pine nuts and we need these two later when we cook our corn. So we start cooking now. I put some oil. And then put the corn inside.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
So guys, we need to add some water because the corn is not easy to cook by frying only, so we need to boil. And then cover the pot and wait until the corn is fully cooked. And then you stir occasionally to check also if the corn is cooked. So you can check the corn if it is cooked and then make sure there's no water inside. So make it dry. You can stir until not so very dry but dry. I add some salt now. And then stir again. And then my green onion, I put inside now. Keep stirring, guys. And now is my pine nuts. So we're fully complete our dish today. So guys, this is my corn with pine nuts.